Hi, my name is Samuel Tilbes. I am 27 years old, and this time I'm going to explain about effects of technology on the environment. Effects of technology on the environment. And the advancement of technology in the world is important to the human life and the environment. I consider that the technology has brought effects, positive effects or negative effects, depending how can use the technology. And first, I speak about positive effects. The first positive effects is the improved techniques of recycling of some of material for reuse. And for example, we can recycle bottles, papers, and other materials for reuse and produce new materials or objects. This is so important to take care of the environment. The second positive effects, most important for me, is the creation vehicles, electrical vehicles like motorcycles, cars, etc. and renewable energy, and with two strategies we can take care of our planet, avoid global warming and environmental contamination. Now I will talk about negative effects. The population growth has brought the creation of many of industries in the world. These industries contaminate the water and atmosphere and produce deforestation and water contamination in the world. And in conclusion about this conversation in this time, everybody need or should change their habits and take account to take care our environment, what may change our quality of life and our descendants. This is so important for us and our future sons and descendants. Thanks.